Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the exact Jira data you want to sync to Excel. Use a JQL filter to select issues with the specific project, status, or dates required. Open the Issues search, apply your JQL, and preview results to confirm accuracy. Choose Export and select CSV Export with field names to preserve headers. Set the export columns to include issue key, summary, status, assignee, and created date for consistent mapping. Save the CSV locally and verify it opens correctly in Excel with UTF-8 encoding. Next, use Excel Power Query to automate importing Jira data from CSV or REST API. In Excel, choose Data, then Get Data, and select from File or from Web for API calls. If using the API, construct the URL with JQL and add fields equals key, summary, status, assignee, created. Configure authentication with basic email and API token, and store credentials in Windows Credential Manager for security. Map API or CSV columns to table headers, and set refresh for two-way sync and advanced workflows. Consider third-party connectors or add-ins. Use Power Automate or dedicated Jira Excel plugins to push Excel changes back into Jira safely. Configure mappings for fields, handle lookups for users and custom fields, and record change logs with timestamps for auditability. Respect Jira API rate limits and implement incremental sync using updated or modified date fields to reduce load. Always backup Excel files, test mappings in a sandbox project, and monitor sync jobs for errors or authentication expirations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.